It is kind of cocked right now. It's the setup we got in there right now. It's meant to be easy in, you know, the setup we got. That's why it's not burning out like it would, because we got the shit with the setup we got. We want. All right, there, any Chaco. Chaco, full range Chaco. Oh, it's fuel, dude. I overfilled it again, I guess. Yeah, fucking fuel, man. That's man. I'm putting the other gas tank back on here. Get that rag off the tailgate. Put the other gas tank back on here. I'm taking this gas tank out and put the other one in. The other one don't leak like this one. Right, especially. We're at 188. We're almost there, dude. We're gonna make sure the fan kicks. He just got to run the relays on it. That way we can get the box on it now, get a good clean. If y'all see, we've been redoing the wires, get a clean look. That way we can actually run the box, you know, and actually fit on there correctly and stuff. And you see, look how much better the wiring stuff looks, guys. I mean, it looks a lot tighter on it. Hopefully y'all was reading the captions back there. We want to put this bike together the right way for the sponsors, for our pictures. Be sure to come out to Small Bore at the Gorge here in Kentucky, August 26, 2022. Come out and check the bike out, guys. We're looking for the fan to be kicked in right here. We got the pump working, at least. We're seeing the pump working, so we're waiting for the fan to kick in. There it went. Oh, at 198. It keeps on. Hell yeah. I mean, trying to duck, don't we? Is it loose again?
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming.
Oh yeah.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hate like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a
Made you look